Welcome to this tutorial on integrating Mailchimp with your WordPress site. In this detailed guide, you will learn how to quickly connect Mailchimp to your WordPress platform in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. After clicking the login button, the next step is to use your Google account for a seamless and secure login process. Look for the option that says Continue with Google and click on it. This method allows you to bypass manually entering your credentials since it automatically authenticates you through your Google account. Once you see the Google login prompt, simply choose the appropriate Google account that you wish to use for logging in. This not only simplifies the process, but also ensures that your account details remain secure and up to date. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. To proceed with integrating Mailchimp, locate the plugin section by navigating through the main menu. In your dashboard, look for the menu item labeled Plugins. This section is specifically designed for installing various add-ons and extensions that enhance your website's functionality. Click on Plugins to view the available options and tools that can be further integrated into your site. With the plugin section now in view, it is time to search for the Mailchimp integration. You will see a search bar where you can type in the keyword Mailchimp. Go ahead and enter Mailchimp into the search field, and once you have typed it in, press the enter key to initiate the search. This action will display a list of available Mailchimp plugins that you can install on your WordPress site. Each plugin may offer slightly different features, so consider reviewing the plugin details if needed, but be assured that the process remains straightforward. After reviewing your options, choose the Mailchimp plugin that best suits your integration needs. This step allows you to tailor the Mailchimp functionalities to match the specific requirements of your website. Once you have made your selection, click on the plugin to open its details page. Here you will find more information about the plugin, its compatibility with your current WordPress version, and additional installation details. If there is a cost associated with the plugin, you will be prompted to make the necessary payment. Follow the instructions provided on the plugin page, complete the payment process securely, and rest assured that your integration is being set up correctly. With the payment completed and the plugin activated, your WordPress site is now equipped with Mailchimp. The integration will help you manage email campaigns, automate newsletters, and track your subscriber activities efficiently. This concise procedure ensures that even those with minimal technical expertise can enhance their website's functionality. Enjoy the benefits of a smoothly integrated Mailchimp service on your WordPress site, and happy emailing.